What's going on, everybody? So this right here was just too good not to share, so bear with me. I'll keep this short and sweet like I always do. So he claims that somebody left him a 5-star review, but if you'll look at the screenshot, it says your review is pending. And the reason it says your review is pending is because Andre created this himself. You know how when you go and you leave a review for somebody and then it says your review is pending? It doesn't say that. So for example, if you go leave a review for somebody and then I log on there, it's not gonna say your review is pending. That's not how it works. He made a video this morning and deleted it, but I downloaded it first, so that video is coming soon. But basically, he just degrades everybody and then tries to say that he doesn't. He scammed a lady named Valerie, and she's pretty upset about it, and you'll see that in the next video too. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.